My name's Kelly. I'm a CBT therapist and psychologist, and today I want to talk about one of the key skills that we use in CBT and also in psychology. It's called Socratic questioning. So this dates back to Socrates, and it's the idea of being able to ask open-ended questions to guide your client to making their own discoveries. So within this, we have a range of questions. So there could be questions such as, questions for clarification. So when they say something, be like, what do you mean by that? Or did I understand X correctly? Or when you said that, did you mean this? So they're the questions that you use, and again, open-ended, just really allowing your client to understand themselves and the topic better. Then sometimes we really want to understand the purpose of why is someone saying that. So it could be like, what was the purpose of you saying that? Or if it's to do with the behaviours, what was the purpose of you doing that? Or even, what was the function? What did you get out of doing that? And again, that is just to help the client to reflect in their own way, but doing it in a really gentle and kind way. Sometimes we also really want to kind of probe people's assumptions. So asking them, what are you assuming there? Or what did you understand about that situation? Or if someone else was in that situation, would they assume the same as you? Or would they understand it the same as you? Or you seem to be assuming X. Did I understand that correctly? So again, you're showing that you're listening, but you're being able to guide them on a road to better understanding themselves as well. Sometimes we may really want to understand them from their viewpoint, so asking them, you seem to be approaching this from this viewpoint. Is that what you meant? Or why have you chosen this perspective rather than another perspective? Or asking them, if someone else was in that situation, would they have reached the same conclusions? Sometimes clients will ask us questions, and we may not always feel comfortable to answer the questions. So in using Socratic questions to question their questions, you may ask kind of, why are you asking me that? Or when we're asking them a question, is that an easy or a difficult question to answer? And then when they answer, well, why is that? Why is obviously a great Socratic question. Obviously you won't keep repeating it, but it's a great one. And sometimes it's about kind of bringing you two together, so using the word we. So how can we find this out? How could we test that out? How could we explore that? Or even kind of what conclusions are we coming to? Sometimes when our clients tell us stories, sometimes it can be difficult to really understand why they're telling us a story. So it may be asking them, what did you get out of telling me that story? Or what role was you playing in that story? Or what does that story represent to you? And there are hundreds of other Socratic questions, but I thought it would be helpful just to explore a few and just to really to help you to be able to use them more effectively in practice. Just that the main thing is to think they need to be open-ended. They're not really filled with any of your expectations or your perceptions. You're trying to guide the client to make their own discoveries, and that is what they're there for. So I hope you found this helpful. I've got lots of other videos about supporting people with their mental health, as well as CBT skills and helping professionals to develop their skills also. So again, I hope you found that helpful, and take care.